Hey guys, welcome to another video, and I'm Tony.
I'm Rob the plumber.
And in this video, we're going to show you how to change out an element, a piece of baseboard in your house. So we have a room that we put this door in behind us, so we had to take the existing element out of the way, the heating element. So now we got to move that over, and we're going to place a new element on another exterior wall. So we'll show you, if you need to change one out in your house, how easy it can be using like shock bite fittings and stuff like that. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you have a question, leave a comment and we'll reply back to you. You ready?
Ready.
Let's roll. Before you begin taking the old heating element out, you're gonna have to shut the water off going through the heating system. Make sure the heating system is off and it's cooled down. We're doing this in the summertime, so ours has been off for quite a while. And on our boiler, there's a couple of valves right here. One is right there. There's another valve right there. So we've already got those shut off. There's two more down in the circulators on the bottom. And there was another one we'd shut off too, right?
We got the main one we shut off over here.
Yeah, there was a main that we had shut off right there. So we're going to install this using a quick method, which is a shock bite fitting. So on one end, we're going to have to cut the bell off of the copper if you're not going to sweat it back on. You want to use the quick attachment method that we're going to use.
You gotta go gentle because it's very soft copper.
Yeah, the copper's soft, so if you don't have one already, get yourself tubing cutter and go around and tighten up on the screw as you go. So it usually doesn't take too long to cut through this. It's pretty soft stuff. So if you had to just replace an element, it's pretty much what this video is for. And you wanted to not have to worry about sweating pipe, this is what you would need to do. Alright, we get that off.
6 and 6.
Okay, so on this wall, we had a piece of molding that we had to remove. Like I said in the intro, we put a door in here, and the baseboard used to run in front of this door. It used to be a window. The dog looking at us. So if you remove the baseboard and the heating element, you get a new everything. You just don't replace the element, but you replace the covers and everything. I'm going to need to put your new cover onto the wall. One more. That's not good.
No, that's not good.
We'll cut that. That's great. We'll leave it in there. You need another Bud Light?
Absolutely.
Alright, so now what are we doing, Rob? We have to take the element.
Line it up. I'm going to get the holes ready so you can drill those out.
Yep.
And I got to go check down the basement to make sure there's nothing in the way.
Okay. And if you're replacing an existing element, you're not going to need to drill holes. Like I said a couple times in the video already, this is a brand new element, brand new location, so we're going to have to drill some holes. If you were replacing an existing element, you would need to take off the ends, which would more than likely be copper 90s at the end, and you could do that by unsweating the pipe or cutting the pipe, right, Rob?
Yep.
So
easier to cut it.
Yeah,
you don't cause a fire. Older house, things burn.
Things burn. We've seen it a million times. Rob does plumbing all the time, and it's easy to cause a fire, right?
And that's why we use the shark bite. No, not soldering anything and causing any problems.
Yep.
Especially in the older houses.
Exactly.
Alright, so that looks alright.
So basically, just replace your new element inside your baseboard, the cover. And I've got to mark out a couple locations on here, and we'll put some stuff together. Rob, what are we getting ready to do?
We're getting ready to insert and put the heating element back on altogether, hook it up on the PEX pipe, the new pipe we got coming through.
Yep, so more than likely you'll have a piece of copper sticking through the floor.
Yes, usually copper, but this was easy to work with. Older house. We already got the fitting already on there.
Right. So basically just push the shark bite fitting on to one end.
Put this one on first. Okay.
Down with snaps in place.
Line this up with this. Make sure these little plastics line up with the metal, because you don't want this rubbing against the metal because it'll bend them.
Right, then you go down to the other end, and let's see, we do the same kind of thing. So you push one end of the 90 onto the copper, and then the other end of the 90, the piece of the copper coming to the floor.
Alright. Hold on. There we go. I might have to hit it a little bit. Alright, good. Okay. Now we're sitting.
You all set?
Yeah, all set.
Now that we're done reinstalling the heating element, what do we need to do?
We're gonna check for leaks, but we're gonna purge the system. We're gonna turn the main on and then go through every zone separately and make sure we get all the air out.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go and turn that on.
Alright.
Alright, so now we have to turn back on the other valves that we had shut
One
off
zone
previously.
at a time. Fill up first.
Okay. So we're gonna have some air in the system after putting a new element on, so we're kind of working the water through a little bit. Alright, so letting the water go through first, and we're gonna bleed some of the air out of the system, right, Rob?
Yes. So
This boiler isn't too old.
yeah.
Yep, so checked out all the fittings that we put on, we don't have any leaks. So now let's put the face of the baseboard on. So they're like little hooks that it just kind of hooks onto. Snaps right into place, right, Rob?
Very, very easily, yes. Always hook from the bottom, because the top ones are rounded to hook onto it.
Yeah, no, these end caps, because with $110, God forbid they throw some end caps in there, those are separate.
Yeah, that was extra.
Shows you, huh?
These are different than the bathroom ones, huh?
Yeah, they are.
I like the ones in the bathroom better.
So these kind of slide right over. And then
You see the little tab?
yeah, there's a tab you bend up, right?
You can, if you want, but you're going to be putting molding back, so I wouldn't
Yeah.
do it until you're ready, so you get a
Right.
distance to what you want.
So you put this end cap back on. And should slip right over that. And then once I'm done putting my moldings back in, that little tab that's right there on these particular ones will bend up and under. So that's pretty much it. Hope you liked the video. And tune in for next time. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, leave a comment and give the video a thumbs up. Take it easy.
Time for beer.